Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how to make green beans. The ingredients I'll be using in this recipe are 1 pound of green beans with the ends removed, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or any oil of your choice, 1 tablespoon epis, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, red pepper flakes, cracked black pepper, and salt to taste, as well as 1 cup of water. To watch a video on how I make my Haitian epis, please click the link in the description box. In a heated pan, add the coconut oil, add the Haitian epis as well as the minced garlic and allow to cook. Once the Haitian epis and garlic have been cooking for a few minutes, go ahead and add your green beans. Add half a cup of water. Add the red pepper flakes, the cracked black pepper, as well as salt to taste. Add half a cup of water, cover with the lid, and allow to cook for a few minutes. After cooking for 10 minutes with the lids on, the water has reduced. Go ahead and mix the bean and taste one of the beans to see if it's tender to your liking. I put the lid on and allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes. There you have it, the way I cook my green beans. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, tasteofk_. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.